Hey techies, Sia is back with a mobile munch feast for your eyes and ears. Today, we're all about the Motorola Edge 50, a smartphone that's packed with exciting features. So grab a seat and let's check out this tech treat together. 1. Design and display. First off, the design. Imagine a sleek device with a glass front, an aluminum frame, and either a plastic back or an eco-leather back. It's lightweight and comfy to hold. And the display? Brace yourselves. We're talking about a 6.7-inch pOLED screen. It's not just any screen. It rocks a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate and supports HDR10+. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching, this display won't disappoint. 2. Performance and memory. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 55G houses the powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset. Built on a nimble 4nm process, it's like having a tiny powerhouse in there. And memory. Take your pick. 128GB with 8GB RAM, or go all out with 256GB and 12GB RAM. Whether you're a multitasker or a digital hoarder, this phone has you covered. 3. Camera magic. Let's focus on photography. The triple camera setup on the back is like having a mini studio. A 50MP main camera for detailed shots. A 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for distant moments. A 13MP ultra-wide lens for epic landscapes. Selfies? Covered. The 32MP front camera ensures you look your best. 4. Charging speed and colorful choices. Battery anxiety? Not here. The 5000 mAh non-removable battery keeps you going. And when it's time to recharge, buckle up for the 68W wired charging. It's like a pit stop for your phone, fast and efficient with 15W wireless charging support. Choose your flavor, koala grey, jungle green, or peach fuzz. Your phone, your style. Is Motorola Edge 50 worth? That's a wrap, folks. The Motorola Edge 50, a blend of power, style, and cutting-edge tech, the under 25,999 rupees. Would you rock this phone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty tech content.